Okay, hey, I'm online right now, and I'll show you the modes, no, like the beginning stuff, and then I'll show you one of the game modes, since I don't really know what you guys want. You said online, so you start with the chat room, oh, buddies, whatever, okay, you can quick play, pick anything you want to do. It'll join game, you pick it manually, create the game, score, it tells you your stuff, and in everything, community, you can go to your buddies, ignore list, leaderboards, or just chat with people who are talking, and Nemesis, the guy you don't like. But I'll show you Iron Lombax. There's 4 maps, I'll show you them all. You put a password on your game, name it, up to 4 players. I'll do 1, so Iron Lombax, and I'll do Danger Valley first, hit advance, time, allowed, people, and then there's usually deaths or dual flags, and then you pick your weapons you like or don't want, and then you make it. And then there's people waiting. You can do normal chats, invite people, pick your color, or start. Yeah, you can do 1-player games, which is good, and I found some tricks, not glitches, maybe later. You guys wanted some gameplay? Gameplay? You kidding me? Gameplay. Okay. You have objectives in this, and this is Danger Valley. For this one, you have to go... You don't have Clank if you never play an online game. You get one of these. You let mines track you. Oh man. The mines track you, and you have to bring them to the other base. You put it down, and all the mines tracking you will hit it. And you just hit it a lot, and then you have to go get another beaker and do it again. See, they keep coming towards it, but I think if you get more, it'll keep going. Yeah, if you notice, the quality is a lot better. Got it. Go do it again. Here's another beaker. And they're different for each level. The mines. I mean, like, your objectives. Stuff you have to do. And now you can just kind of wait for mines to blow them up. Wait to blow up. You see the score on the right? One's flashing, meaning it's gonna die. Yeah, it died. And now this one's being bombed. And it's lame. Normally you just shoot people on the other team while you're waiting. Yeah. Pretty bored. 1-player game. And hit.
On enemy base, indicated by the light cones.
Now you bring it to the main base. See in the bottom right it says 5. Now it says 7. And when you put it, no, 6, 7. And then when you put it down, all of them will attack and destroy the base, hopefully. Bitches flashing. And I'm almost dead. Yeah, you level up your weapons by killing people or finding level up boxes. But it's pretty slow.